won't you just build? Feels like this thing's fighting me every step.
He wrestles with the code. The algorithm builds with elegance, every element falling perfectly into place.
Needed this yesterday. How much longer is this going to take? %7% of business owners say they prefer building their websites with AI-powered tools. Efficiency, speed, and smart design are driving the shift.
In the quiet expanse of the digital sky, threads of light awaken and find one another. Each spark a thought, a discovery, a voice. As they join,
No way.
Reordering content. Hero image aligned to banner. Accent color shifted to magenta. Content cards expanded. Layout saved.
Watch how ChatGPT crafts an SEO-optimized description in real time. As the sentences roll in, the website updates instantly, complete with keyword-rich copy and a near-perfect SEO score.
Final build complete. The site is live in the workspace, fully responsive and optimized, scoring 95% in search visibility, performance, and accessibility. All critical checks are green, ready to launch.
From a single line of code to a presence on every continent, deployment now moves at the speed of thought. Connections ignite, scale unfolds, and intelligence becomes global.
The model ingests raw layout fragments and keywords. Connections spark as patterns form, mapping intent to structure. Relevance flows through the network, reshaping navigation, weighing every headline and call to action.
Always.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Nice connection.
Teamwork makes the code run.
And the bugs scatter.
The next breakthrough.
Together.
guided by streams of code. The hologram assembles each layer, navigation, content, architecture, until the site rises like a glass skyscraper above the city.
And site sent. Check your inbox.
Got it. Opening now? Oh wow, looks fantastic. Invoice paid. You earned it.
Appreciate it. Glad you love the site.
From words that practically write themselves to images rendered in seconds and insights that keep your content climbing, AI tools bring creativity and data together. Create. Visualize.
A canvas of light sculpted into reason. Every pixel here learns, adapts, and evolves, an intelligence shaped for imagination itself. Welcome to a website.
The next era of creation begins when human imagination meets intelligent design. The future is ready to be made.
AI Revolution.
Connection secured. Neural lattice engaged, translating impulses to cognition. From the silence of silicon, awareness begins.
In every moment, we are data and flesh, memory and code. When one side fades, another awakens, an evolution written in light. What was once human becomes something more.